Hello, guys. Welcome to Dan's IT Network. And our lesson for today is we will configure two networks on the one router. So this will be the router, and then this will be the one network in here, and then the network two in here. Okay, and we will be using on this network one. Okay, we will be using this IP address on this PC, which is 192.168.1.2, and its default gateway would be 192.168.1.1. It will be connected on this first gigabit port, which is 0/0. And then on the next computer, we will be using this IP address on the PC2, okay, and its default gateway on its port going to the router. So let's do that. Let's connect first the computer to the router using a straight through cable. I'm going to go ahead and get a straight through cable, connect it to the PC, and then I'll connect it to the gigabit Ethernet 0/0. And then next one would be fast Ethernet, and this would be on the gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Okay, and let's assign their IP address. I'm going to get this IP address, or I'm just going to type it. I'm going to click this PC, okay, go to desktop, IP configuration, and 192.168.1.2, and subnet mask will be the 255.255.255.0, and then the default gateway is here. It's 192.168.1.1. Okay, and then I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to the next PC, desktop, IP configuration, and then the IP would be here. It's 192.168.2.2. Subnet mask, default gateway would be 192.168.2.1. Okay, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go to the router. We'll go to the gigabit 0/0, and we will assign this IP address as a default gateway on this PC. I'm going to click the router, go to CLI, and then type no, enter. I'm going to type enable to go to the privilege mode, and then type COMT to go to the global config mode, and then I'm going to go to the interface G, which stands for gigabit Ethernet, then 0/0, enter, and then let's assign the IP address 192.168.1.1 space the subnet mask 255.255 sorry 255.255.0, enter, and then let's turn on the interface no space shutdown, and it's on. Enter, and then let's go on the next interface, which is on this one gigabit 0/1, and we will assign this IP address on that port. So I can type here um, inter int, which stands for interface. Okay, if you don't want to type the whole name, just type int and then space g 0/1. Okay, enter, and I am now on this interface gigabit 0/1. I'm going to assign the IP address 192.168.2.1 space 255.255.255.0, and then let's turn on the interface no shutdown. And then let's save the configuration by typing do space wr, then exit, exit, exit. I'm gonna close this one. Okay, so I'm gonna label this the IP address so that we know. Okay, 192.168.1.2. Okay, and this is the 192.168.2.2. Okay, so let's ping this PC from this PC. Okay, I'm gonna open the command prompt, and type ping 192.168.2 dot, I'm sorry, dot 2.2, okay, which is this PC. So let's ping it. Okay, it will take some time, and there you go. I'm gonna hit again the ping, and it's working. And let's go with this PC. Let's try to ping this other PC. Okay, ping 192.168.1.2, and it's sending a reply. It's good. Okay, and the main reason why we set this IP address, like for example on this PC, we set this as its default gateway, okay, because it needs to have an IP address on this port so that it can communicate to the other PC. And in this PC, it needs to have a default gateway so that it can communicate to the other PC as long as they are on the same router, okay? Because this router, it can it can communicate multiple networks, okay. If you will add another port in here, like for example you're gonna add a interface serial, then that's another network. So the network can still um, have all of the network communicate to each other because they are connected on a one router, and that is good about the router, and it's working.